All right, guys, so we're out here to jumpstart a Ford F-150. When the customer opened the vehicle, the alarm went off, so that makes me think that the battery's not dead, but we'll check it out. We got the Noco Boost GB150 jump box here. Hook up our positive and our negative. Says he's got 11.3, so yeah, it could be a dead battery. Could just be below the 12 volts that it needs. So you see it jumped up 0.5 volts. That might just be enough to start it. Okay, go ahead and try it, sir.
Can I do it with the remote?
Yeah, let's try it. Well, if it's a push button,
It's still open, so
yeah. Oh, because the hood's up, he can't remotely start it, so it's gonna jump in and try it. There it is. Hey, what do you know? Sometimes just being down a small percentage of your voltage can keep the vehicle from starting. So there's an example of that right there. It was at 11.3, it jumped up to 11.8, and then it started up. Another good feature of this jump box is it also reads the alternator output. So you can see it has 14.5 volts, which means that the charging system, the alternator down there, is doing its job. So it just needs probably a new battery. Batteries only last about 2 to 3 years in Florida, so keep that in mind when your battery isn't allowing the vehicle to start. It could be an age problem more than a human error problem, like you left a light on or something like that. If you left a light on or something like that, just jump it, let it run, it'll charge back up. But if it's 2 or 3 years old and you're in Florida, then it's time to replace the battery. Hey guys, well there you go. That's how to jumpstart your truck when the battery is just barely dead. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.